Good morning, everyone. This is Hajurunsa from Commerce and Management Department. Today's my topic is um, batch costing. So here, preparation of batch cost sheet and ascertaining the total cost of a batch, profit per unit, cost per unit, batch wise, and also calculation of sales uh, batch wise and the total sales, batch wise cost and the total cost, total profit and batch wise profit. So this we can learn from this first illustration problem number 1. So here in this problem, the problem given is a jobbing factory has undertaken to supply 200 pieces of a component per month for the ensuing 6 months. Every month a batch order is opened against which materials and labor hours are booked at actual. Overheads are levied at a rate per labor hour. The selling price contracted for is 8 per piece. So here the rate per piece rate for sales, it is 8 rupees per piece. So overheads are levied at the rate per labor hour. The selling price of each batch order and overall position of the order for is for 1200 pieces, and the total production is 1200 pieces. This has to be supplied in 6 months, and that is the batch order. Per batch is considered as 1 month. So here we need to prepare a cost sheet for 6 months. So it is per batch per month, and the total number of production, total number of units to produce is 1200, and per batch, as per the details given, we need to calculate the total cost and total sales. So this can be prepared here in this problem. um, the material cost is given directly, wages is already given here in this problem directly, and the quantity is also given. Quantity is given, material cost is given, month wise it is given. Direct wages is also given month wise from January to June. The details are given here. So what we need to calculate for preparation of job cost sheet, here details are not given with regard to labor. Labor total number of hours worked, it is given 240 hours, and what is the rate per hour is not given in the problem. So we need to calculate what is the rate per hour. Rate per hour need to be calculated with the information given, so that we can prepare the batch cost sheet. And the details for preparation of what is the rate per hour labor is also given in the problem. So here it is given the details. Chargeable expenses, it is 12,000, and the total labor paid 4,800 for 12,000 hours. It is 12,000 amount is paid 4,800. So it is given month wise. We need to calculate what is the rate can be calculated by dividing 12,000 should be divided by direct labor as 4,800. Calculate rate per hour, and this rate can be calculated with the number of hours given here in the problem. So this information we can prepare as per the information given in the problem. This is illustration problem number 1, preparation of batch cost sheet, and the details given here in the problem. Batch output in units. month wise batch output in units given in the problem, it is 210 for January month, 200 February month, 220 March month, 180 April month, 200 May month, 220 June month. So this is the production batch wise. So per month is one batch, it is considered as per batch for per month. So the production from Jan to June, the total production comes to 1230 units. So this is the production or output batch wise. This is for 6 batches and the total production comes to 1230 units. And the sales value given in the problem, units into rate given in the problem for sales. So sales rate is given in the problem is 8 rupees per piece. So it is rupees 8, rate is rupees 8. So we need to calculate what is the sales value, multiplying total units produced into rate rupees 8. Per unit rate is rupees 8. 210 into 8, the sales value comes to 1680. 200 into rupees 8, that is per unit rate, this comes to 1600. 220 into 8, the total comes to 1760. 180 into 8, total comes to 1440. 200 into 8, here total is 1600. 220 into 8, the total sales value is 1760. So considering this, total units produced 1230 into 8, per unit rate is 8 rupees. 8 into 1230 units, this total sales comes to 9840 sales. You can add all these, you get the same sales value. And total units produced batch wise, if you add the total units produced, this comes to 1230, and the rate per unit rate is 8. 8 into 1230, total sales value comes to 9840. And here batch wise sales value is given here as shown in this table. And the next we need to calculate what is the total cost. So this is the total unit produced, this is the sales value. And next we need to calculate what is the total cost. Total cost can be ascertained by considering material cost, batch wise. For the month of Jan, it is first batch total material cost is 650. Next month it is 640. March month it is 680. April month it is 630. May month it is 700. June month 720. And the total of material cost, adding all the 6 batches, total cost comes to 4020. And the next cost is direct wages. Direct wages batch wise, for the first batch it is 120, 140, 150. This information of material cost and direct wages is given in the problem. So same whatever is given we are showing here. 140 for the next batch, 150 for May month, it is May batch, it is 160 for June. So total of all these batches, the total direct wages comes to rupees 860. So the next cost is chargeable expenses. So these chargeable expenses are not given directly in the problem. Since it is not given directly, we need to calculate what is the rate per hour. Then we have to consider batch wise what is the chargeable expenses, that is chargeable expenses, the labor cost we need to calculate the rate per hour labor. So here we need to calculate per hour labor rate. So in this problem, here it is given what is the chargeable expenses batch wise. For January month it is 12,000, direct labor hours 4,800. So this information is given. We need to calculate what is the rate per hour labor rate. So with the information given, we can calculate for the month of January chargeable expenses we can take the formula first. Chargeable expenses divided by labor hour into, this is the total chargeable expenses divided by total labor hours into what is the labor hours per batch. So it is for the month of January, it is given in the problem 12,000 divided by 4,800 into 240. So this comes to per hour rate is comes to 2.5 into 240 equals 600. Now for February month it is 1,560 divided by 4,400 into 280. This comes to 672. For the month of March it is 12,000 divided by 5,000 into 280. This comes to 672. For the month of April, total chargeable expenses is 10,580 divided by total number of hours worked 4,600 into 270 hours. So this comes to total 621. And for the month of May, chargeable expenses given is 13,000 divided by number of hours worked is 5,000 into 300 per batch. This is per batch number of hours worked. So this comes to rupees 780. And last June month total number of hours worked, it is chargeable expenses 12,000 divided by total number of hours worked 4,800 into 320 per batch number of hours. And here for June month, the total chargeable expenses comes to 800. So this chargeable expenses we can consider in this cost sheet. For the month of January, it is 240. For the month of January, it is 600. This is 600 chargeable expenses. For the month of February, it is, for the month of January, it is 600. For the month of February, it is 672. For the month of March, this is 672. For the month of April, 621. For the month of May, it is 780. For the month of June, 800. So total of chargeable expenses comes to 4,145. Now we need to take the total of batch wise total cost, 650 plus 120 plus 600. So total of these three expenses, 650 plus 120 plus 600, this comes to 1,370 total cost. And for the batch 1, second batch, 640 plus 140 plus 672, the total comes to 1,452. Then 680 plus 150 plus 672, total 1,502. 630 plus 140 plus 621, total comes to 1,391. Next is 700 plus 150 plus 780, total is 1,630. 720 plus 160 plus 800, total is 1,680. And overall total batch wise, from your first batch to the last batch, overall total of this comes to 9,025 is the total cost of production. Total cost of production is 9,025. And the next we need to calculate here is what is the profit per batch. Profit cost, profit per batch. So we have to calculate, profit can be calculated by minusing batch wise cost from batch wise sales. So this first batch, the sales value of batch number 1, January batch, it is total unit of this batch is total units produced 210 at the rate of 8 rupees per unit. Total batch wise sales is 1,680. So this is the sales of this particular batch, and the cost of this batch is 1,370. So we can calculate profit batch wise minusing total cost from total sales. So here sales is 1,680 minus, here profit can be calculated, sales minus cost equals profit. Batch wise sales, it is for January month, sales is 1,680 minus cost is 1,370. Then the profit of that particular batch is 310. For February month, profit we can calculate. February month sales is 1600 minus February month cost 1452, and the profit is 148. March month sales is 1760 minus March month cost 1502, and the profit of March month 258. April month we can calculate. April month sales is 1440 minus cost is 1391, and the profit comes to 49. May month sales is 1600 minus cost is 1630. So here it is loss, there is no profit, because cost is more than the sales. Cost is 1630 and the sales value is 1600. So it is loss, 30 rupees is loss in this particular batch. There is no profit, only loss. June month sales is 1760 minus cost is 1680, and the profit is 80. So this can be shown in the statement. The profit per batch, so it is 310, 148, 258, 49 minus 30, because here sales is 1600, cost is 1630, therefore there is loss of 30 rupees. The next is batches. Profit is 80 per batch, and the total profit comes to 815. So take the total profit of these 5 batches minus loss particular batch, minus add all this and minus 30, you get 815 is the total profit of all the that is batch wise profit is 815. And the next we need to calculate what is the cost per unit. So per unit cost can be calculated. What is the batch wise cost is 310. So batch wise cost we can take 310 divided by batch wise number of units produced. 310 divided by 210, we get the cost per unit. Here we can calculate cost per unit. So here all batch wise we can calculate cost per unit, total number of units produced, and here total cost is 310 divided by total number of units produced 210. So here we get 310 divided by 210, per unit cost is 6.52. February month, here it is total cost is 148 divided by total output total cost 1000, total cost is 1000 here. Batch wise total cost comes to 1370 divided by total number of units 210. 1370 divided by 210, per unit cost comes to 6.52. February month total 1452 divided by total number of units produced 200. Per unit cost comes to per unit cost 7.26. March month total cost 1502 divided by total number of units produced 220, and the cost per unit 6.83. April month total cost 1391 divided by units produced 180, and the cost per unit is 7.73. For May month it is total cost is 1630 divided by total number of units produced 200, and the cost per unit is 8.15. June month total cost 1680 divided by total number of units produced 220. Rate per unit comes to 7.64. So this can be shown here. Cost per unit 6.52, 7.26, 6.83, 7.73, 8.15, 7.64, and here total 7.34. So this can be ascertained by taking total cost divided by total units produced. Total cost 9025 divided by total units produced 1230. We get the cost per unit rate is 7.34. And next last we need to find out here is profit per unit is the last calculation. Profit per unit. So profit per unit can be calculated by considering batch wise profit for this particular batch. Profit is 310 divided by total number of units produced. So 310 divided by total number of units produced in this particular batch is 210. Is equal to 1.47 or approximately 1.48. This is for January month. Profit per unit batch wise. For February month, what is the profit? It is 148 divided by units produced in this particular batch 200. This comes to profit per unit 0.74. Then it is for March month, profit is March month total batch wise profit is 258 divided by total number of units produced 220, and the profit per unit is 1.17. April month profit 49 divided by units produced 180, and the profit per unit is 0.27. And May month it is loss. There is loss, no profit. It is minus 30 loss divided by 200 units. So per unit loss comes to 0.15 minus. June month profit of June month is 80 divided by number of units produced for that month is 220. 80 divided by 220, profit per unit comes to 0.36. So it is batch wise profit per unit. You can show here in this statement profit per unit 1.48, 0.74, 1.17, 0.27, loss 0.15, profit 0.36, and the total profit is 0.66. So here you can show what is the profit. Overall profit 815 divided by total number of units produced 1230. 815 divided by 1230. Here we get the per unit profit 0.66. So I hope you understand this batch wise statement, that is batch cost sheet or batch cost statement. Calculation of the total units produced into rate per unit. We can calculate rate for sales is 8 rupees. We can calculate the sales batch wise, and the material cost is given in the problem batch wise. Direct wages also given in the problem batch wise. Chargeable expenses, directly the expenses batch wise is not given, therefore with the information provided we have calculated rate per unit and what is the number of hours chargeable, labor hours we are calculating, and here we find out batch wise what is chargeable expenses. Then we take all the expenses cost, the material cost, wages cost, chargeable expenses cost, total of this is shown here. We need to calculate. Next is profit can be calculated considering sales minus cost, we get the profit batch wise. Then we have to calculate cost per unit. Per unit cost can be calculated by considering batch wise total cost divided by total number of units batch wise produced, we get the cost per batch. Then we can calculate per unit per unit cost. So per unit cost can be calculated by considering what is the this is the what is the per unit, what is the profit. Here it is total cost per unit cost, and next we are calculating what is the cost per unit. So here cost per unit also can be calculated. Take the cost divided by number of units produced, we get per unit cost. Then we have to calculate what is the profit. Profit is here given batch wise profit divided by number of units, we get per unit profit accordingly. So I hope you understand this calculation of batch cost sheet. Thank you so much.